Welcome to Under 10 Brain Boost. Today, we're going to be exploring the exciting world of psychology tricks that can completely transform your life. Now, before we dive in, it's important to understand that psychology tricks are not gimmicks. In fact, they are backed by scientific research and have been proven to work time and time again. So, why should you even bother with psychology tricks? The answer is simple. They can help you boost your confidence, improve your relationships, and achieve greater success in your personal and professional life. But how do these tricks work? It all comes down to the way our brains are wired. Our thoughts and beliefs can have a huge impact on how we feel and behave, and by using certain techniques, we can train our brains to think and feel in more positive and productive ways. One psychology trick that can be particularly effective is reframing negative thoughts. We've all had those pesky negative thoughts that pop into our heads from time to time, things like "I'm not good enough" or "I'll never be successful." But did you know that you have the power to change the way you think about these thoughts? By reframing them in a more positive light, you can start to shift your perspective and feel more confident and capable. For example, instead of thinking "I'm not good enough," try reframing the thought as "I'm still learning and growing, and I have the potential to improve and succeed." This small shift in perspective can make a big difference in your confidence and overall outlook on life. Another powerful psychology trick is visualization. This involves using your imagination to picture yourself achieving your goals and living the life you want. Visualization can help to increase your motivation, focus, and confidence, and can even affect your behavior in positive ways. For example, if you're training for a marathon, you might visualize yourself crossing the finish line, feeling strong and triumphant. This visualization can help to boost your confidence and keep you motivated to train. Studies have shown that visualization can be an effective way to achieve your goals, whether it's running a marathon, starting a business, or anything else you may be striving for. Additionally, setting goals is a great way to use psychology to your advantage. By setting clear, specific, and achievable goals, you can give yourself a sense of purpose and direction, and you'll be more likely to take action and make progress towards your objectives. For example, if your goal is to start your own business, you might set a goal to create a business plan within the next month. This specific and achievable goal can help you stay focused and motivated. Additionally, setting and achieving small goals can help to build your confidence and set the stage for even bigger accomplishments in the future. Another psychology trick that can be helpful is the use of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself in order to change the way you think and feel about yourself and your circumstances. For example, if you're struggling with low self-esteem, you might repeat the affirmation "I am worthy and deserving of love and respect" to yourself several times a day. By consistently repeating this affirmation, you can start to internalize it and believe it more and more, which can lead to an increase in self-confidence and self-worth. Another psychology trick that can be useful is the use of body language. Our body language can have a big impact on how others perceive us and how we feel about ourselves. By adopting confident body language, such as standing up straight, maintaining eye contact, and using open and expansive gestures, we can feel more confident and assertive. On the other hand, slouching, avoiding eye contact, and crossing our arms can make us feel less confident and self-assured. By paying attention to our body language and making an effort to adopt more confident postures and movements, we can feel more in control and capable. Another trick is to practice gratitude. Focusing on the things we are thankful for can help to shift our perspective and make us feel more positive and satisfied with our lives. This can be especially helpful when we're feeling down or stressed. By taking a few minutes each day to think about the things we're grateful for, we can start to cultivate a more positive and hopeful outlook. Finally, practicing mindfulness can be a powerful psychology trick. Mindfulness involves being present in the moment and paying attention to our thoughts and emotions without judgment. This can help us to better understand and manage our emotions, and can also increase our self-awareness and self-control. By taking a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness, we can become more in tune with ourselves and our surroundings, and can learn to navigate our thoughts and emotions in a more healthy and productive way. In conclusion, there are many psychology tricks that can help us to improve our confidence, relationships, and overall success. By reframing negative thoughts, visualizing our goals, setting clear and achievable goals, using affirmations, paying attention to our body language, practicing gratitude, and practicing mindfulness, we can train our brains to think and feel in more positive and productive ways. These tricks can help us to live our best lives and achieve our full potential. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Under 10 Brain Boost for more tips and tricks to help you live your best life.